In the previous video, I showed you how to create a recognized model. Recognized model is the first instance of the structural analysis model, but it's not aligned. You can see that when I zoom in that there are a lot of gaps all over the place. So we're going to fix it and we're going to use the align in the AutoConverter. But first we will need to go to the alignment settings. The golden rule about the alignment settings is always go with the default, at least for the first instance, and see the outcome. If there are any issues, you can always go back and change the settings. If you would decide to change the settings, you can do general settings of alignment, which are here. There is an extensive list of the settings you can do before the alignment, and they are accompanied also with the nice animated tooltips, so you will know what's behind each setting. Another thing you can do in the alignment settings is to do the system line positioning. I will demonstrate that on beam group. I can decide if the alignment should keep the beam in the center of the gravity or if it should be moved into the one of the surfaces, for example to the top. And if I would like to, I can include that eccentricity also in the analysis model. It means that such a beam that had moved to the top and had the eccentricity turned on, it will have a value for the eccentricity to be calculated, and it will affect the internal forces. The same I can do for the 2D, but of course I can align either to the top or to the bottom. Assigning the members to the groups is in the very same way as assigning to any other groups before. Next setting is element behavior. There we can set if the object can move from its plane or not. You can control it via the groups as in previous setting. So in this case I will select this roof here and add it to this group. Then I will open the group settings, and there I can specify if the member is freezed on the Z or Y direction. This one is 2D, so it allows me only to freeze on the Z direction. What it will do, it will make this member to stay at place, so it will not move and it will be used as a master plane. And now let's start align. This is the outcome of the alignment. You can see there is a clash of a yellow and a purple model. Purple model is the original recognized model and the yellow one is the aligned model. I can turn off the recognized model and now zoom in a little bit more closer to see if I got rid of all the gaps. And it looks perfect. I can turn on the recognized model again and see what gap was closed. From now on, you can export the aligned model, but I will show that in the next video.